We joined our local PCSO to visit Grange Primary Academy in Kettering, North Northants, to show pupils why it's important to slow down in our town. We met Year 6 pupils who then had a discussion and voted on speed limits in town. Then we split into groups, and this group headed for the playground. What is your stopping distance when you run? Pupils used beanbags to mark theirs. Then we thought about the stopping distance of a car. Everyone used beanbags to guess the stopping distance for a car travelling at nearly 20 miles an hour. Then we used meter wheels to measure the distance they thought and the actual distance, which was much further than they thought. For cars travelling at nearly 20 miles an hour, it takes 12 metres for them to stop. At nearly 30 miles an hour, it takes a massive 23 metres for them to stop. That's all the way across the playground. Then a run around to see how stopping suddenly is difficult when people are close to you, and practice giving way at junctions. Meanwhile, another group headed off to the main road to record speeds, and enjoyed having a go with a speed camera. They even had a chance to experience different weather conditions. The sudden blizzard meant most drivers, unfortunately not all, slowed down and put their lights on. Time to head back to school. Meanwhile, in the classroom, the third group watched a video called Speed Matters. They then created their own designs for their postcards to give to drivers they know, and designed their own "Slow Down in Our Town" posters. And each received a "Slow Down in Our Town" sticker. Here is their final message. Slow down in